Hello everyone and welcome. Today I'm so excited to share with you a delightful cupcake recipe that is exceptional soft and tender crumb. And this flavor is perfectly balanced with the sweetness flavor that is precisely suitable for any frosting. And here's the ingredients that you will need: sugar, flour, salt, baking powder, butter or milk, vanilla extract, and eggs. To avoid eggshells and possibly spoiled eggs, crack the eggs into a separate bowl before incorporate it into the butter mixture. For today's video, I doubled the quantities to make 24 cupcakes. To start, combine the sugar and butter in a mixing bowl and blend them together. This step is known as creaming process. If you use stand mixer machine, use the flat hook. Starting the eggs, beat the eggs into the butter and sugar mixture until it becomes smooth, creamy, and has double in volume. Once that is ready, it's time to incorporate the flour and milk, followed by the oil. Don't forget to scrape the sides of the bowl to ensure all ingredients are incorporated and well blended. And this batter is ready. There's no lumps. Yay! Prepare the cupcake tins lined with cupcake liners. I used an ice cream scoop. I find it convenient and it provides the batter with equal portions. Bake them in a preheat oven at 250 degrees Fahrenheit for 18 to 20 minutes. Once they've done baking, let them cool before piping on your favorite icing or frosting. I recommend using a 2D Velvety tip for a beautiful finish. And there you have it. Gorgeous homemade cupcakes that are simple to make and absolutely delicious. The recipe is in the description below. Thank you for watching and hope to see you again on the next video.